Hello guys, welcome to Learn Automation, and this session will cover up how to send any attachment through email API. So please keep subscribing my blog. So first of all, we'll go through the basics which I have already covered up in my last session. There I have told you the needed jars you need to add to your build path. These are 3 jars you need to add, and the download procedure also in the last video. You can check that. Then move to the how do we send the attachment, any kind of attachment through mail. So for that I have created this doc. Like see here we have 4 parts. I've totally divided it into 4 parts. Like first one is like creating the attachment, second one creating email message, then third one adding attachment to the email message, and fourth one sending the email. So first of all we are going to use the 2 classes. The one is email attachment and multi-part email. So first move to the basics, like what and all we are going to declare over there. In email attachment you need to instantiate the class, and you need to declare the below properties like set path. It should be the exact path name of the file you want to send, and set disposition. It should be attachment or inline. And third one, set description. It's like you can write any description about that file, and you can also set any name of the file. It will be displayed on the email. The next part is creating email message. Email message, we have multi-part email class. We'll be instantiating that, and we need to declare below properties like set host name. It would be different for different mailboxes. For Gmail it is smtp.gmail.com, and you need to set the port number. It would be 465, and you need to pass this as true for SSL on connect. We have authenticator. Like authenticator, we need to provide the user ID and the password. User ID would be your email ID, and the password for that you can add to whom you want to send. The email address you need to put over here. Then the name of the person, you can, these all are string values. And email or set from, this is the from address you need to mention over here. From it's like it's you who is sending that. Then you need to put your email ID and your name. And this is the mail subject you need to mention. Then finally you need to attach the email attachment to the mail, and then send the mail. So let's move to the program. In program I've created one class over here. This is like the send email test. Here we have email attachment class instantiated as attachment, and we have declared the variables like set path. I have put my documents or the record docs in mail polling location. Here I can put, in this video I will show you how to send any 7jet file or zip file. Zip file, you can go to properties and put this is the path. You can see in path you have to take till this with the extension, and you need to put over here. Fine, it's done. Now you need to mention the disposition as attachment, you want this to be attached to your mail, then description I'll say like test 7J 7G file. Then we have attachment set name is like archive. Then move to the second part, the email. In email we have called the multipart email class, and we have set the host name, port number, SSL, on connect is true, and the authenticator I have put my dummy account with the password. And we have at this is the two address. This is my email ID, and from is this one, and I've set accordingly. I can put over here set message PFA in zip. So I kept everything, the needed part. Then I have surrounded it with try catch. You will also get any error. If you don't do that, then it will throw error. So you need to try catch or throw the exception. Then we have this class like email. I've attached the attachment over here, and then I send the mail. So to check whether the mail is sending or not, I put the sysout statements like mail started sending. Then once it will complete, then it will show us like mail is sent. So let's see how it's going. If I hit run, it's processing. It's 57%. See here you can see the mail started sending. Process is started. It will take some time according to the attachment size. It will take. You can see like the mail is sent. So if I'll check my mail ID, so now it's 5:19 p.m. So let's see if there any file came or not. So I'll check my account. It's a bit slower. So it's going to my inbox. Still processing. So if I will see I can see the Gmail came at 5:19, and I can see the subject line PFA in zip. This is the mail message, and let's see if that is the correct file we have sent. See, this is the archive. We have named it as archive, so it has came. See, this is the archive file. So you can name it as your file name. Anything will be fine. So here you can see how we sent the attachment. So you can send any attachment with a proper file extension. You need to mention over there, otherwise it will throw exception like you cannot send the file, and we cannot add the attachment. So rest we can see you can get exception from Google if you are setting it initially. First time it will ask it won't let you connect to the SMTP server, so you need to do the basic settings like in security. You need to allow the less secure apps to connect as yes. Then guys, you can access my git location. The code is over there, you can access anytime, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.